Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, my name's Michael. Today's Monday, August 26th, 2013. It's now 3:49 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're required to have a disclaimer. Please take a moment to review ours. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. The U.S. equity markets were all up early in the day, but ended closing down. It appears that the pullback in the equity markets is going to continue a bit longer. For the daily review, we monitor two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures to do this. And here's that price chart. The S&P closed down. Sentiment, however, remains bullish. Price remains in the short-term downward channel that can be seen between the green dashed lines. Resistance is at 1726, as seen by the light pink oval. And support remains at 1593, as seen by the light green oval. The second index we monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. And here's that price chart. The US dollar closed with no change, and it closed as a doji. Presently, the price is going sideways between 22.16 and 21.82. Support is at 21.82, as seen by the light green oval. Resistance is at 22.98, as seen by the light pink oval. We do our daily review after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The reason for this is the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. The first thing we'll do is analyze the ADX. We put the results in a table on the left. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If it's red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If it's green and the price is increasing, we'll put a green up arrow. If it's green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a red down arrow. We take the results of the ADX analysis and we calculate the strength for each of the 8 currencies. A strong currency can range between +1 and +7, and a weak currency can range between -1 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pair to trade. However, when constructing the potential pairs to trade, we only use a strong currency between +3 and +7, and a weak currency between -3 and -7. Today there are again 3 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. I haven't listed the New Zealand dollar pairs. So we have 3 qualified pairs. They are the CAD Swiss franc, the Euro Canadian dollar, and the Pound Canadian dollar. For open trades, there presently aren't any open trades. And as for new orders, we didn't place a new order today. Let's look at the price charts for the 3 qualified pairs. The first is for the CAD Swiss franc. We're in a downward channel and our trade would be a bearish trade. Perhaps one more day of consolidation and we'd consider placing a trade. Our second qualified pair would be the Euro Canadian dollar. It's in an upward bullish channel. Our trade would be a bullish trade. However, the distance between the 55-day Donchian channel and the upper edge is only about 125 pips. The other problem would be if the price gets to this point, it would tend to pull back. The third qualified pair is the Pound Canadian dollar. It's in an upward channel. Our trade would be bullish, but we have the upper limit of the channel sitting right here, and we would tend to see a pullback off of that. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you would like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Later today, I'll post my new podcast, Treat Your Trading Like a Business, choosing your trading strategy. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page.